Hi guys. So you might have copied some text off the internet or from a document and pasted it into Microsoft Word. And you found that there's some kind of background color on your pasted text, whether that background color is gray or another color. Don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove that pesky, stubborn background color from your pasted text in Microsoft Word. In this example, I've copied some text from the internet, and it has this gray background color. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to remove this gray background color from your pasted text in Microsoft Word. And it doesn't matter which version of Microsoft Word you have, these methods will work for any version. So in this example, I've got some text here that's highlighted in gray. To remove it, highlight all of it, and you'll see this option here, the highlighter tool, which is currently gray. Click the little drop-down arrow next to it, and then choose No Color. And there you have it. The background color has been removed. Next, we'll use a simple keyboard shortcut. First, highlight your text. Then, on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Spacebar. And there you go. The background color has been removed. For the next method, we'll use an internet browser. It can be any browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or something else. Highlight the text with the gray background and copy it. Then open your browser and paste the text into it. You can paste it into a search bar or any text box. Next, copy the text again from your browser and paste it back into Microsoft Word. And just like that, the gray background is gone. You can also clear the formatting of your text by clicking on this icon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.